So let's go to the tallest statue in the world, the Statue of Unity. You can reach there through road or through train which stops at EKTA Nagar junction. From there you can have bus facilities which are totally free of cost to move from one area to another. But autos can cost you some amount. Then I thought this was not real. So let's touch it. And when I went to touch it, this was so real and I was so mesmerized. Oh my god. Then we had an amazing experience at the museum on the basement where you can watch movies and it displays the animals which are present in the water and nearby areas. Then you move to cafeteria which is attached with sitting area for laser shows and also the movie theater. Jungle safari is so awesome. We had an amazing experience. We watched white peacock and the white tiger. Oh my god, the royal beauty. Of course we saw lion, and the most important part was the lion roared so loud in front of everyone that all of us were amazed by seeing that. Try to do jungle safari in the afternoon and reach Statue of Unity in the evening so that you can enjoy the laser show.